Do you want to know how to create a reaction like an erupting volcano? I'll show you. Let's look at the materials needed. We'll need a conical flask, baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, food coloring, and a tray. First, take your conical flask. Can you see the 200 milliliter mark right here? Now, we will take the vinegar and pour it here. Perfect. Like this. Now, we'll add a few drops of food coloring to the vinegar. I like to add about 3 to 4 drops, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And shake. Now, you can use blue or green food coloring, but I like to use red. If you want, you can add dish soap here. You can add a little dish soap to the solution. Adding dish soap would make your eruption more foamy and bubbly. I like bubbles. Perfect. Now, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. We have to do this quickly. Make sure Mom or Dad are with you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Just like a real volcano. Obviously, it's not a real volcano, but it sure looks cool. How did the reaction happen? You see, when vinegar and baking soda mix, carbon dioxide gas is produced. This creates pressure in the conical flask, which causes the gas bubbles to move upwards to escape the volcano. It was really interesting to make the volcano erupt, wasn't it? With the same materials I just used, you can do it. Come back to our fantastic science lab and let's do more experiments. Goodbye!
Let's review what we learned together. Do you remember the experiment we just did? We call it a volcano experiment because it looks like a volcano erupting. Look, this volcano is erupting. Can you see the red hot lava flowing down? To make an eruption in the experiment, do you remember what we had to do? That's right! We added some food coloring and baking soda to the vinegar. To add means to put more of something to another thing. See this boy? To make his experiment better, he adds some coloring to the solution. What a smart boy! To make the eruption more foamy and bubbly, we can also add some dish soap. But how much should we add? Right, not too much. We can add 1 or 2 drops of dish soap to the solution. Look, these leaves have drops of water on them. Leaves and flowers usually have dewdrops in the morning. Okay, that's it for this time. I hope you had fun and learned something. See you next time. Goodbye.